seems like you have fallen out of track. Need I remind you that failure to complete this sacrifice, you shall die and the throne shall fall out of your family. Your family legacy shall then end with you, and your shame shall be rubbed on you even in death.
I plead for mercy, Grandmaster. That girl has beaten more than she can chew. She has become a thorn on my flesh and the bone in my neck. I don't even know what to
do. You have sealed your fate, and death awaits you.
Fabunkato buchuba mwabialo wana ba. Habukwa megwe chuba mwabialo wana ba. Ejana bisije.
Reveal to me. Reveal to me. Reveal. 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 Why tie her in captivity?
Oh, who is that? This woman. I know this woman very, very well. She normally comes to my shop to ask me for alms. And she helped me with my relationship matters as well. I know her. Yes.
She is no human. She is the spirit of the dead.
Oh, I know her as well. Yeah, she's a good person. She has been good to me severally. She even advised me not to stay for my father anymore. So why would she attack my sister? Why would she go after her?
You are wise, boy. But the husband killed her and her daughter. Ever since, she has not gotten rest. She has been roaming about among the living. Look at the chain around her neck. She's been trapped. And she is compelled to hurt your sister. For a reason. Yes.
And what reason could that be? Is it King Zuba, my sister's husband?
She is slowly moving on a journey of no return. I need to wake her before it is too late.
The mirror must have shown you something very traumatizing, I suppose.
I never saw this coming. She was so nice. She helped me the times I needed. She was there for me.
Can you tell me about it?
Anachuku, how are you?
Chidebere.
Eh?
Nwata ntị. Where are you going with that? Is it not too heavy for you? Why did you not get a wheelbarrow to carry it?
No, be say I no get wheelbarrow no dey house. And a hand that they use rock am. So I put on like this now. Now how's I dey? So you no be say you no heavy. But they manage.
You'd have got you one in cases like this.
As cases come now, I no see money to clear the case. What I go do? I go see in a hand by foreign. I put her here. Money no day. Anachuku. Money no day. I for don collect wheelbarrow.
You can call me your guardian angel. Angels do exist.
And guardian, you dey guide me well. Mamba. Thank you. Anachuku. Job noko. Okay, sorry.
Get yourself a wheelbarrow.
I go run am just now.
To avoid breaking your neck.
What happen? I tell you my house. I thief your money. I tell you my house. My papa house safe.
I don't mean to scare you. I just wanted to give you what my mother and I prepared.
What's your mommy prepare? Rice. For me. Where your mama? Yes, she did.
You don't have to worry.
Tell me, say I don't have to worry. For food owner. Rice and beans. Oh, thank you. Come, where your mama? Mama go say thank you. We say for this community they live. Where be on our side, on our house, where you dey?
Like I said, you don't have to worry.
No, I suppose worry. Make I worry. Wetin be your name?
My name is Anna. My mother's name is Muna.
Anachuku. Where on our community dey? In our house. Where on from? Go. Make I go thank your mama. Better rice and stew. Where your mama dey?
You don't have to worry.
No, come on down. You don't have to worry from your mouth. Come show me where on our house dey. Show me on the house now.
You don't need to worry.
No, I go worry. Come show me on the house. No, who go? No, I don't worry already, baby girl. Oh, Anna Chuku. Your name is Anna. Come show me your mama. one part this people give me. I don't even know them. Don't be. So I go use this money do now. Pepper soup or Scottish. Pepper soup or Scottish. Pepper soup or Scottish. Pepper soup or Scottish. Scottish carries the vote. Scottish.
That money was not meant for you to eat. It was meant for your father.
Wait, oh. You give me money, you want to tell me I want to chop am? My papa no go gree collect this money half and half. You like your money bulk. Na 3K I dey owe that man. You can't give me one. See, and this one now, it has been budgeted. You understand? We don't budget am. No be say I don't budget am. I'm always go collect my normal 1 or 2. So you know rich, so you don't be.
What do you intend to do? Find the balance? Or?
Can't be all. You know already now. Not to squander this one. Go squander this one, pa. Then I go take appease my papa. I get as I want to see money again now. So this one now don't go for Scottish. This one take collect Scottish, so I go take package normal. So you don't be. Yeah now. Maybe later.
Should I beg? Give to your father.
This one join now. Oh, well, I don't hear you. Oh, see. Peace out. Yadaba. They were really nice people, but I did not know they were dead. They rendered so many help, but I wasted my time. I could not embrace the time I spent with the people I care about.
I understand. You should be thankful for the time of anyone, because you never can tell when it will be your last.
Have lost all my time, I think. I could not even show care or love to the man who took me in as a son. Now he's dead. I regret even not helping him or showing him love.
Regrets. It is the next stage of repentance. I hope you find your feet again.
Great one. We were told you wanted to see us.
Yes. I have found the solution. Only the Mother Earth can break the shackles. You need to get the sand from the graveyard of the maternal ghost. Then the shackles will be broken.
Wise one, how do I know where Muna's mother was buried? I don't even know where she's from, let alone know her burial ground.
That is the only solution. Find her maternal home. Find the burial ground. Get a handful of sand from the burial ground. Bring it here. And the chain binding Mona's spirit will be broken.
Wise one, please, help me. This is way above me, Biko.
Wise one, please, is there a way you can help us? Like to locate the maternal home, please.
I'm afraid This is all I can give for now.
Her mother is from Aguba. I think her father should also be from Aguba Kingdom. Men don't just travel far away to marry, do they?
I cannot say that. The community where I grew up is neither my mother's community or my father's. That her mother is from Aguba Kingdom doesn't mean that she's from there. I mean, if it's that easy, I'm sure that Igede would have told us.
Hey, I'm finished. How do I find this burial ground? The only person that has information about this burial ground is the same man that wants me dead. I don't know what to do. Hey.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sure that there will be a solution by tomorrow. Let's just sit it out and see what Igede will tell us tomorrow. Yeah?
They killed Isaac protecting his friend for a truth. Isaac was fighting the palace guard. If the king was so innocent, why did he send the palace guard to kill Samuel? My love. My love. My love is dead. My love is dead. My love is gone. And the king is in his palace enjoying himself. The truth no longer set us free. Rather, the truth is not the way to our death. I am tired. I am tired. We need justice. We need justice. We need justice for our kingdom. My love is dead, Ejike. My love is dead.
Youths of our land. I believe that we have all heard about the rumor spreading in this kingdom.
Yes.
Until now, our newly married queen has not been found, nor has she been confirmed dead. The guards who survived that incident gave a testimony. And since then, the rumor has been spreading like wildfire across the community. We all know Tochukwu, a guard who survived this incident and stopped his work in the palace. He was recently apprehended by the king's men and dragged across the community like a criminal. As soon as the rumor started spreading, and no one could say or do anything about it. The most painful one was the death of our brother Isaac. He was a brother, a lover. How long? How long are we going to sit down and fold our hands and turn a blind eye to the evil and atrocities that are going on in this community? I will not. I say enough is enough.
Yes.
We will storm the palace.
Yes.
Justice must be served to all those that has lost their lives.
Yes.
For power is in the hands of the youth.
Yes.
Who will join me to fight for justice?
Me. I.
You must all go now. Mobilize every youth that you can see. Let us go to the palace and occupy the palace until justice is served. Move!
Move! Let's go.
Anyanwụ bịa mara nzu, ọnwa bịa mara nzu, ikuku bịa mara nzu, mmiri na-egbu n'ọgba gburugburu bịa nụ mara nzu. Anyị si ndụ nwoke ndụ nwaanyị. Egbe bere ugo bere nke si bi ebe na nke ama nkwụ ya. Unu ga-egosi nke ọzọ ebe ọ ga-ebe. Ọ bụrụ na ihe ọjọọ nọrọ n'ihu, anyị ga-anọ n'azụ. Ọmalịcha nwaanyị. Nne m eze nwaanyị o. Nne m eze nwaanyị bịa nụrụ ụmụ gị na-akpọ. Nne m eze nwaanyị o. Amara uledo bosi eke maya bosi odi bosi afọ ya na bosi nkwachara na oge anọ ududo orimo nwere ihe na-esere anyị n'unu ka anyị medo ya nnukwu nne.
Anything?
Nothing. Tell them that they should find another way.
Fabu nkata ọgwụ chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chụba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Eje anọbụ isi ije. Eje na o. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Ọ bịara ije nwụ na o. Eje anọbụ isi ije. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi.
Your Highness, the youths are protesting in the village.
What are they protesting for?
They are chanting for justice. For Tochukwu and Isaac. It seems they are members of the youth parliament.
I'm the chief judge of this kingdom. So I decide who gets justice. Make sure they don't come into this palace. If anybody trespasses, fire. I repeat, if anybody trespasses, fire. And if they are proving stubborn, mobilize illegal youth. Let there be counter-protest. Cause confusion. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Highness.
Proceed.
Ya ka anyị na-eme. Ọwa ife ọzọ.
Sorry, but I think I know the way.
Which is?
One other kingdom.
Umoda Kingdom.
Yes.
How did you get to know about this?
I saw it.
Huh?
Yes.
You saw it?
Yes.
Umoda Kingdom is very far from this kingdom. You might not survive getting there. But then, there is a way out.
Which is?
I need to speak to all of you in person.
Things are getting out of hand. The youths have gathered their own guard at the palace. They have taken the king hostage in his own house.
Will you blame them for it? Or haven't you heard the things that has happened?
What has happened? What proof do we have that the king had hand in the disappearance of the queen? Or is a member of fraternity?
The truth is clear before your eyes, and you still cannot see it. When an allegation is laid before you, proving yourself innocent is what is expected, and not murder. Why can the Igwe went as far as adopting Tochukwu and sending the gas before Samuel, thereby killing an innocent people, alongside with the palace gas? We are talking about human lives here. And all of these things are happening from the man that swore an oath to protect his people.
I understand, Mazude. Does fire solve a problem? Does two wrongs make a right? We have to take control of this situation before things goes out of hand. Yes, we have to summon the youths. Thereafter, we can settle this thing amicably.
That is what we should be talking about. Than defending an ill done by the king.
We are not defending him. It's just to make sure there's peace in the land.
My son, I understand the pains of the youths. You deserve justice, and we all do. I stand by you. But then, the peace of this kingdom is in shambles, following with what is going on. Wars must have gone out to our neighboring kingdoms of what is transpiring in our kingdom. This could be an avenue for other kingdoms to take advantage on us. If we are not smart and tread with caution in all of this.
Please, my son. I, for one, now understand you fight a good cause. But then, there has never been any time war helped in bringing peace. War and peace do not go together, my son. Please, let us settle this thing peacefully to avoid chaos ahead of us. I'm begging you, please, my son.
When you say settle this peacefully, what exactly do you mean? Because the last time I checked, we no longer have capable cabinet members who can handle issues of this kingdom.
Yes, there are no cabinet members, but there are elders who knows the custom and ethics of our land.
Yes.
Elders who lost this kingdom, not for anything, not for power, but of a genuine love. A new era of elders will be formed, I assure you. But for now, let us work together and bring back sanity to our land.
Yes, we will work together. But please, my son, call off the youths. Holding the king who stayed in the palace is not good, it's not fair. We will have a meeting soon, with you inclusive, where justice will be served.
Well, I have heard your pleas, but this is a decision I cannot make alone. I will have to relate with the other youths, and then I will get back to you on whatever we decide.
Thank you.
Be careful in this life. When you choose people you trust.
Can't continue to leave that distance.
Cause some of
In order to get to Omoda Kingdom quickly, you need to take the route of Amaze. In 2 days, you will find yourself in Omoda Kingdom. But then, before you leave, you need to fortify yourselves. Because the spirit that is after you is still lurking around. If you leave this place without being fortified, you could get killed, all of you. Give them food. Put the bead in your pocket and make sure it is touching your body. That way, you are fortified against every spirit on the road. You know what you will stop me?
be careful.
Let's split so we can be safe. Do you understand? Go this way, we can go this way. This is place safe.
Cause some of them are lions in sheep clothing, looking for whom to devour. Jai, fake people everywhere pretend to care, but they are for destruction. Welcome, baby. Gonye metere, ojirisi aburu. If onye metere, isi yako gejiburu. Welcome, baby. This life is gonye metere, ojirisi aburu.
She show me now. Which one say na here she show you? This is the junction. 3 roads dey here. Which one we go follow? You say that side, we reach there now. You say no. Na 3. We dey here now. Wetin you want me we do? Which road we want me we follow?
She show me 3 now. Don't carry you come the 3.
She show you 3
for me.
Oya call am now. Try talk to them.
You know what call am? Now you dey see the vision. Me when they see vision, they tell you wetin I see, you give me. Or you carry my eye put for your own now.
No wahala, see the vision, I beg. See clearer one, no we know where we dey go. We don't too waka, I don't tire.
The vision wey she show me, he blur small.
You don't be saying he blur, the vision blur, this one. We don't the waka since. I don't tire chid now.
Me too, I don't tire. Me too, I don't tire. Which I'm trying to think. No pressure me.
I don't say no pressure you.
Vision go. One more pressure from you now. Vision no till.
I don't understand you. Which one you talk like that now? I beg. See, you don't vex me small.
You go calm down, make I talk to them.
No wahala.
One more pressure now. Vision, wham.
No wahala, sorry. Talk to them, I beg.
I don't remember.
Which way now? Which way? That one or that one?
No be here.
No be here again.
No be here.
So which way? We don't the waka since now. Try to think now.
I don't think I'm now. Come see I'm here. Who dey go?
See we again.
Who dey go now? Who go meet Oge first? Who go meet Oge now? We don't see am.
No Oge go show us the road.
No Oge sabi am where.
I don't understand you.
When the rhythm of the music changes, even the dance step changes as well. Queen Oge, you have caused this fraternity a great ordeal. The deities no longer find your actions lightly. I am coming for you and everyone that has ever helped you to jeopardize what this fraternity stands for. You can run, but you cannot hide. I am coming for you. Nwana ba tolo finibile kwa la bere. Ni abobe kote dikakuru.
You are not welcome here.
I do not need an invitation to enter wherever I please. You withheld the queen here. I should have been here earlier.
Of course you should have been here earlier. She is no longer here. You are too late.
This is what happens when you allow children to take charge. Igwe Zuba, you have disappointed me. But you shouldn't have helped her in the first place. Now she shall die.
I do not fear death. I have lived long enough to retire. Igini accepts death with open arms.
That makes you a bigger fool.
I understand your anger.
Yeah, foolish.
But now you must calm down. I want to inform you all that our cries have echoes through this kingdom.
Yes.
Everyone has heard our voice.
Yes.
Now we must leave this place. Not as a sign of retreat or surrender, But as a move to a whole new revolution, we march for peace and tranquility. Let us go. Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! Solidarity forever! We must only
What happened? Who killed him?
She's dead. She was killed by a man looking for you. He killed my mother.
Which can wahala be this now, eh? I don't carry the sand come now, come they jam this kind. You don't go help me now. What do I do?
Take the staff.
What did she talk just now?
That's what she wants. Take the staff. Stamp it on the sand you are holding. Stamp it.
I release you! Spirit of Munachi, you are now free. No shackles can prevent you anymore.
Finally, you are here. I'm glad you got my message. No one else get hurt. This will soon be over, only if you submit yourself to the king.
Submit myself to? Be like say you dey mad. Be like say you smoke expired igbo. I want to ask you one question. What in that woman do you when make you enter Ashira go buy am? You leave who you dey find, go kill that woman. Why?
It is not in my place to kill you. It is in the place of the king. I only needed to lure you here so that the rites can completely be done. And here you are.
So you dey embarrass yourself. No, for your mind now, you think so you go feel raw me to kill me. All this nonsense when they do for this kingdom go end today. When they use people, innocent souls, they do ritual. For your mind, you think you can use my head to do ritual? Not my head. I will put an end to the existence of all this evil one they do for this kingdom today.
You fool! I am immortal and I cannot be killed by human weapons.
Ikiti! Ikiti!
Is he dead?
He's dead. Listen. The battle line has just been drawn. Take my brother to the stage or the back.
Fabu nkata ogwu chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chuba nwa bịara ụwa na-agba. Eje anọbụ isi ije. Eje anọ. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Ọ bịara ije mụ na. Eje anọbụ isi ije. Eje anọ. Isi mama ntụkwa.
Around like bushmeat everywhere, Abi? Don't worry. You don't need to hunt again. This time around, Nami go come for you. the haunted don't become the hunter. You go to see me. I hope say you go still get the liver to kill me when you finally see me. Get ready, oh.
Okay. Coming for me? What the hell is going on?
My king, the youths are retreating. They are leaving the palace.
I don't care what's going on. I don't care the battalions that are coming. Oge is becoming too dramatic, which I'm not comfortable with. She's getting on my nerves. I need her head for sacrifice at that some period. Do the needful. Everybody around this vicinity should be double prepared. Give them more bullets. I want her head for sacrifice.
Consider it done, my king.
Good. Cause confusion and leave no trace behind.
Igwe.
King Zuba! You want to use my head for sacrifice, Abi? I don't come. Come and use my head for sacrifice. You see this your palace? I go burn them today. I know well, oh, my joy lost since and they find them, I never see them. I don't get joy. King Zuba! You better come outside because I will burn this house down. King Zuba! I am here. Come out and use me for sacrifice. King Zuba! You better follow you play, Abi. I go burn down this palace. You better come out now. Come out, I will burn this palace now. If this thing touch ground, this thing will catch fire. King Zuba!
Welcome, Queen Oge. Have you finally come to surrender yourself to our great king, King Zuba? But you want me to bring you down by myself?
Who you want bring down? Ants like you go fit bring me down, they whine. You don't ask question. I know well, oh. See, I'm not come for you, just punk me. Behave yourself, I came for your king. You don't feel me? Come on for road, oh.
Surrender yourself.
You want shoot me, Abi? Shoot me. Shoot me! King Zuba! King Zuba! In 2 hours, this palace will go on fire. You no fear. You get mind, come my papa house, come marry me with bad intentions. You won't use me to do sacrifice. That will not reach you. You send people, come buy my papa. I swear to the gods, your life goes spoiled today. The wine.
Ipeka. You are nothing but a pigeon. Thinks itself a bird. You can't stop me. I am the king and I will continue to reign in power and in glory. You should have kept running. I swear I must sacrifice your head so that I will keep reigning from glory to glory to glory. You can't stop me.
The lion stands no chance before a god. Igidi! I submit myself to your never-ending powers. Let your strength envelop my body, soul, and spirit. Zuba, the people of Akuba
will know your secrets that you've been hiding for decades.
There is fire on the mountain. The queen has returned. I heard the king on gunpoint at the village square.
Chinekemo, are you serious?
How can I be joking with something like this? Maybe she wants him to confess. We have to go and see things ourselves. Rico.
We are going there now to see and hear by ourselves. Please, let us go.
Let's go.
Ada, you are here and the kingdom is on fire.
Our own kingdom?
Yes, so.
On fire?
Yes, so.
King
Zubby have been dragged to the market square by the queen. And I'm going there to hear the full gist.
You just are you
I am serious. I am serious.
Today, the people of Akuba will know your secrets. And they carry you go village to where they go burn you today. You hold on too much. What happened? Not in my mouth. When I go hear what happen, you will hear it directly from the horse's mouth.
Please forgive me.
Which one be forgiveness? Begin the talk, oh!
I belong to an occult. Yes. My father introduced me into the fraternity. He told me that I must belong for me to have a peaceful reign. That he did the same. His father initiated him. His grandfather did the same.
Hey!
His great-grandfather did the same. I need to be left alone.
Zuba, your father has been laid to rest, but his spirit has not transcended to where it rightly belongs. His soul still lurks around. Except a sacrifice is offered made on his behalf, he will continue to wander aimlessly. You must step in his place.
Grandmaster, what am I supposed to sacrifice for the spirit of my father to rest in the bosom of the Lord?
You must sacrifice the heads of his wife, Munachim, his daughter, Anna, for his soul to find peace and rest.
Consider it done, Grandmaster. Itiadro.
Your Highness, she said.
Munachimso, the hour has come.
Igwe, Have you really prepared your queen for the final assignment?
Yes, I have. She will be sacrificed as proposed. But I worry.
Worry about what?
After sacrificing my wife, will I be able to stand on my feet again? Get married again and be a son that will succeed me?
Of course, you will. The sacrifice is to seal your position as the king. After a few years, you'll get married again. And you will be a son, just like your father did.
If that is the case, I'm game. But most importantly, will I be able to walk again?
I'm certain you will walk. Don't bother yourself.
Babu kata ogbe chuba nwa bịa n'ụwa na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chuba nwa bịa n'ụwa na-agba. Eje na bisi ije. Eje na o. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Obiara ije wụ na o. Eje na bisi ije. Eje na o. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. O metere ya buru o. O metere buru. O metere buru. Oya metere ya buru nye ya ego na bo. O metere buru. Imeta kwa kipali nye gị akwa na kwa bo. O metere buru. O metere buru. Back to say no, it's not about prayer. He that seek for my life will bear with his own life. He will bear with his own life. Ogeji ndụ ya wee tụọ ụtụọ. Ogeji isi ya wee nzela ndụ. I know they look for troubles.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Holy God.
Why are we here? Please, I beg you. Take me instead. Let my daughter go, please, I beg you. Take me instead of my daughter.
Great deity of power and longevity, accept this sacrifice on behalf of King Zuba. Let her blood cement his reign in the throne of Aguba Kingdom. Glory go!
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 Jesus!
Hey!
I have been sacrificing people to maintain my power. But when it got to my queen Oge, I was supposed to sacrifice her. But there is something mysterious about her. She scattered everything. I'm sorry, my people. Queen Oge spoiled everything. She was supposed to be dead by now. My people, please forgive me. I was only acting under instructions. Sorry. My elders forgive.
My elders, you know waiting. At the carry him go village square. The youths are waiting for him there. They will burn him alive. No, let me take him there.
Igwe Zuba, your reign and that of your lineage must come to an end. You and your generation have taken so many innocent lives because of your constant quest for power. We say enough. Enough. There shall be no mercy. Because you and your lineage showed no mercy to the lives that you took.
There is no forgiveness, King Zuba. You have killed so many innocent souls. Judgment has been passed. Your reign ends.
Queen Oge, we have come to bid you farewell and to say thank you for saving us.
It should be the other way around. I should be thanking you for saving my life. I am grateful to you and your daughter.
You are welcome. See you on the other side.
You deserve a man like Nonso.
Be careful in this life. When you choose people you trust, cause some of them are liars in ship.
Wow. Una see they see me as una queen?
Of course, yes. Yes, Your Majesty. Because that is exactly who you are. We're on our way to your place so that we can discuss with you. Our kingdom is without a ruler and a council of elders. You are the only royal blood left. We have come to discuss with you for a way forward.
Which is?
Your Majesty, a woman cannot rule this kingdom. You have to choose a spouse who must be crowned king of Agoba kingdom.
Yes,
wow. And then a selection of your royal cabinet will be done. We are in a new era, and we, the people of Agoba kingdom, wish to follow your lead, Your Majesty.
Wait. Wonderful. So any man I choose as my husband will become king of this kingdom?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Your Majesty. Do you have anyone in mind? Or a royal conquest be done for you to choose?
Leave royal conquest. I already have a man in mind.
Already? And who is this man?
His name is Nonso. He's from Amala kingdom.
From another kingdom?
No, bother yourself. Now from another kingdom. In fact, I dey go call him. I dey go let him know the good news. Nonso!
This life is deep. Mind yourself.
Nonso! How far?
Okay, how are you?
Adeo, you not ready to marry?
Ready to marry? I don't understand.
I'm sure you don't understand. You ready to marry?
I don't understand. Explain to me now.
I'm sure you don't understand. You won't marry as in marry. You like marry?
I'm never ready to marry you.
No, you no get choice, so. You go marry today. As me and you they talk, elders from my community don't fix the marriage date. Now today, me and you they go marry like this. That you be the next king, go. Because anybody who marry me go be king, automatically kingship.
If I marry you now, I become king.
I go lie for you.
And you fix marriage without letting me know.
Moku they go na lock shop, Moku go marry. What did happen for here?
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive
What is going on?
Please,
please
now.
Abigail, leave me alone. I'm no longer interested.
I cannot leave you alone. After everything.
Man, I wish you cannot leave me. Come out your hand. Come out your hand. What did they stop? Now my husband is the whole
I'm
like
no longer
this.
interested.
Leave me alone.
I go blow your eye. Come on for this place, the place. Would they go marry like this? Where would they go? Lock shop, come on here. Come out here. Come on here.
Shop can be there. It's fine.
I go match you.
Mama Ejima. Mama Ejima, because they say I'm going to marry you. Emergency marriage. Let's be going. Abigail, I don't want it again.
I leave this thing when you speak. What in the occur? Eh? You be like say una dey kona una know this. No, I never even marry you. You don't knack woman.
True to God.
Now me say if I marry you, if you don't become king, you go carry all the concubines for this world.
No, never.
Because I mean won't make you king. Because without me you cannot be king.
There is nothing like that. I promise you.
Make I not catch you if I marry you finish. You go carry woman. I don't agree. I go come out the crown.
Abigail, I don't want it again. No, I want to be king.
Hey.
Mama Ejima, because take care of the shop.
Now king you be now. I need to make you king. You feel like do your shoulder like this. No, spread like this. You wine.
Igwe nonsense. Hey, Mama Ejima.
Babu kata ogbo chuba nwa bịa lụọ na-agba. Hapụkwa ma egbe chuba nwa bịa lụọ na-agba. Eje na bisi ije. Eje na o. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Obiara ije wụ na o. Eje na bisi ije. Eje na o. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Isi mama ntụkwa n'ezi. Omete ya buru o. Ometere buru. Ometere buru. Oye metekwa ya buru nye ya egu na bo. Ometere buru. Imetekwa gị bara nye gị akwa na kwa bo. Ometere buru. Ometere buru. Back to sender. It's not about prayer. He that seek for my life will bear with his own life. He will bear with his own life. Ogeji ndu ya wee tụọ ụtụọ. Ogeji si ya wee n'ụzela.